Unfortunately, the gutter is one part of a building that may be left unattended and paid less attention to in terms of cleaning up. However, gutters can pose a significant threat to the structure and exterior of a house if not properly managed. FastKlean, as a professional cleaning agency in the United Kingdom, has experienced the impact of clustered gutters on the building and well-being of the people living in the house. And having carried out works like gutter cleaning, we can point out some important reasons why you should get professionals to clean the gutter once or twice a month. At FastKlean, we provide helpful tips and eco-friendly approaches that will aid our audience in living a healthy and profitable lifestyle. We have noticed that homeowners usually remember about their gutters when it has become a problem. However, when it has been overstuffed to breaking point, it starts to leak or break, and they will need to clean and repair it. The neglect of cleaning the gutters may arise because these homeowners may not have the right tools or experience for the job, as gutters are challenging to work on, or because they are hidden, primarily out of sight. But to avoid unforeseen circumstances, below are some of the reasons why you should keep your gutters clean using professional help. 1. Prevent water damage to both the interior and exterior of the building. One of the sole purposes of the gutters on the building is to drain water from rainfall, which may cause damage when it accumulates. But when the drainage path is blocked with debris, leaves, dirt and other solid materials that find their way to the gutter, they will stop the drainage flow. And when the water accumulates, it may drop to the interior and exterior walls of the building, causing damage to the structures. Also, the load of the water may cause cracks, or break the pipes or water channels, which may need further repairs. So try to clear the gutter for an unhindered flow of rainwater through the channel. 2. Prevent the gutter from being a habitat for pests. Leaving the gutter unkempt can lead to a buildup of pests, such as rodents, birds, insects, and other worrisome animals. These pests will become a hazard, causing damage to your building, noise nuisance, and even health hazards. Remember that these pests will not thrive in a gutter that is kept clean and the rainwater flowing unhindered by dirt. So don't make the habitat conducive for animals and pets, which will threaten the building structure and your health. 3. It helps to protect the foundation of the house. Water that gets clogged in the gutter can affect the foundation when they find their way through the inner structure of the building. This will significantly threaten the building, as the water can crack the foundation's walls, which may adversely impact the building structure. In addition, water gets to expand when they freeze, and during the winter period of lower temperature, it can cause the foundation structure to expand and lead to crack. Such regular action may affect the whole building structure, and if not adequately checked, cause the building to collapse. The gutters are placed in the building to prevent water from finding their ways to the inner structure of the building, and you have to keep the channel clear to prevent water from finding its paths as it slips from the gutters. 4. Cleaning the gutters will protect your roof. Gutters help channel water from the roof, so they will not corrode the materials used for the roof. However, when they clog up with leaves, debris and dirt, and water build up on the roof, they will affect the roof materials, which will wear off faster. When the roof is worn out due to rot and rust, it will begin to leak as it damages the exterior and interior parts of the building. So do not let water flood the gutter by clearing the dirt and debris for water to move out freely to save your roof from rot. 5. You are saving money in the long run. Water flooding the gutter will cause irrevocable damage, both interior and exterior, that will need your money to fix it. We mentioned some of the ways these flooded gutter paths can affect your building, such as damage to the foundation, rotting roof, leakage, broken pipes, and other forms of damage. And all this damage caused by the flooded path will cost a considerable amount to fix and repair. However, you can avoid spending such enormous prices for repairs by simply cleaning the gutter, or hiring a professional cleaning agency to get your gutters cleaned properly at least twice a year. The cost of cleaning the gutter is far less than the cost of the damage the clogged drains will cause. Now that you know the importance of cleaning your gutter, we hope you will dedicate more resources to cleaning the gutter. You can contact FastKlean to get more information about cleaning your gutter using the right tools, using their expert knowledge to help keep your building safe. Want more tips? Check out our previous video on why you need to stop using toxic household cleaners and which products to avoid. Also, let us know your views and comments in the comment section below. Why don't you consider the help of trained cleaning professionals, the ones that work at FastKlean? Our company can help you deal with all aspects of cleaning. Simply call 0208 8849 149 or visit fastklean.co.uk. Sign up for our masterclasses and learn how to create a toxin-free environment at home or any business premises. Watch our other videos and learn more eco-friendly cleaning tips. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Thank you for watching. Until next time.